The BESTEK Vertical Cube Power Strip is a must-have for your home, office, or travel needs. With its sleek black design and space-saving vertical build, this power strip combines functionality with style. It features 3 AC outlets, perfect for powering your essential devices, and 3 USB-A ports alongside a USB-C PD20W port, offering fast charging for your gadgets like smartphones, tablets, and laptops. The USB-C port, in particular, delivers quick and efficient charging for devices like iPhones and newer Androids. The 5-foot extension cord provides flexibility, allowing you to position it conveniently, while the detachable base ensures easy mounting on walls, desks, or other surfaces. This makes it ideal for tight spaces or for creating an organized workspace. Safety is prioritized with overload protection and high-quality materials that guarantee durability. Whether you're charging multiple devices or powering larger electronics, the BESTEK Power Strip handles it effortlessly.